Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Tedeschi. I'm the Chief Audiology Officer for Miracle Ear.
Millions of Americans are affected by noise-induced hearing loss.
The best ways to protect yourself are to reduce exposure time in loud situations and to wear hearing protection. Simple foam earplugs can be very effective if worn correctly. First, you want to take the foam earplug, put it between your fingers and roll it tightly and make it as skinny as possible. Next, use your hand to pull on the ear that opens up the ear canal and place the foam plug in your ear. Allow the foam to expand and take the shape of your ear canal. This will create a tight seal which helps block out loud noise. You should be able to tell whether a good seal has been achieved by the amount of noise reduction you hear. If it seems like the plug is not effective, just remove it and then start again. Same thing on the opposite side. Thank you for watching, and if you need a set of earplugs, see your local Miracle Ear office. They can provide them for you.